So after over 2.5 months of quarantine, we were finally allowed to return to work about the end of June. And during that time, it was a huge rush to catch up on the work that we missed. So they had us working crazy, crazy hours, 6 days a week. And during that time, I didn't have the time or the energy to work on any doll videos at all. But I had this idea of how to make little glasses using wire. But while I was busy with the crazy work hours, my Froggy Stuff had posted a DIY video on how to make glasses as well. And of course, it was really awesome and incredible, and the details are amazing. But I still wanted to share my idea with you as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. It's just a little different option if you want to make a different set of glasses for your dolls. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to share this quick and easy craft with you. Like, you can make these glasses, the frames, in like less than 2 minutes. We're using wire, and I got this wire from the jewelry section of the craft part of Walmart. And so we'll be using the wire to make the frames for our doll glasses. And here's some other materials that we'll be needing. I have my dowel here, and what we're going to do is just cut 2 pieces of wire. And we're just going to cross them in the center and twist it around twice. This wire is like 18 gauge. It's super easy to maneuver. So we have it attached in the center. We're going to open it up to one side, and we're going to make the size of the lenses according to the pencil or marker that we use. I'm using this highlighter. Just going to form it around there really nice and tight, and then just twist it on the end. Repeat on the other side. And remove it. And then we're going to put it back on the dowel. Fold it on the sides and wrap it around the ear, and we'll trim and use our pliers to tighten it up. We won't have any little end pieces to scratch you. We'll repeat it on the other side, bend it, wrap it around the ear, trim, and tighten it with pliers. Put it back on the dowel, and this is it. Super quick, easy, instant wire frames for your doll. I love it. Super cute. So we're gonna make some more. For our fashion size, like 11.5-inch dowels, we're just gonna need about 4 inches of the wire. Again, same thing. We're gonna cross it in the center, twist it twice, and then we'll use a pen, a marker, or pencil to create the circles of our frame. Wrap it around tightly, twist it on the sides. Repeat to make the other. Same technique. Open it up, wrap it tightly, twist it on the side. And I'm going to make another pair. So I have 2 pair, but before we bend it on the sides, we're going to see if we can create some lenses. So I'm going to take our frames and press them closely against plastic. We're going to just use a piece of plastic. And I am going to pour a little Mod Podge inside the circles. Okay, any kind of clear drying glue. I'm going to carefully pour it in there. And shift the glasses so that it covers all sides. And when it's all dry, it'll create a lens. Now I'm going to see if I could try to make like colored lenses. So I'm taking a marker, rubbing it on the plastic, and I'm going to see if I could catch a little bit of that color with the Mod Podge. And I had used a permanent marker and it's not really picking up the color. So I'm going to use a water marker, rub it on the plastic, and again see if it could pick up any of the color, and the water marker picked up the color really, really nicely. So I'm going to add a little bit more Mod Podge, mix it up, and I made another pair of frames. We're going to apply the colored Mod Podge onto the circle of the frames. Not too thick, it's not gonna dry properly. Try to make it nice and even. And you gotta watch out for air bubbles. So it's been a few hours, everything is all dry. You can see it's dried nice and clear. So we're going to remove the frames by peeling it off of the plastic. And then we're just going to use a razor to just clean up the little parts of the Mod Podge that dried outside of the frame. You have to be really, really careful. Of course, using a razor. So once you get those edges cleaned up nicely, then we'll go ahead and bend on the sides. And again, we're going to put the glasses on our dowel, shape it around the ear, trim it, and tighten it with pliers. So here are our miniature glasses. All done, like I said, quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that there was a really amazing video for how to make dial glasses. You can find a few of them on YouTube, and that's cool, but this is just a little different option. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that it inspires you to come up with something, your own little technique. I love it when we all inspire each other. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit me up on social media. I love to hear from you. I love your comments. Let me know if you guys like the new intro. I'm undecided about that. But for leaving a comment on the previous video, we're going to officially welcome Maurice Shannon to the red carpet. An awesome, awesome dial crafter. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And remember, it's more fun to make it.